Finding problems inside pipes, engines, walls, or tight spaces can be difficult without the right inspection tool. Poor image quality, limited flexibility, and weak lighting often make inspections frustrating. That's where digital borescopes make the job much easier. They provide clear HD visuals, bright LED illumination, and flexible probes to reach places your eyes can't. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best digital borescopes of 2026. We researched the web and real user reviews to create this list. All product links are in the description for updated prices. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews.
Number 5. INSKAM Industrial Endoscope Camera. The INSKAM Industrial Endoscope camera features a 2.4-inch LCD display with full HD 1080p resolution for clear and detailed inspections. Its 8mm waterproof IP67 camera easily reaches narrow pipes, drains, engines, and machinery. The semi-rigid cable provides excellent control while maintaining flexibility in tight spaces. Bright, adjustable LED lights improve visibility in dark environments, and the handheld design makes operation simple without requiring a smartphone. It's an excellent choice for home maintenance, automotive work, plumbing, and industrial inspections. Number 4. TESLONG NTS 500 Industrial Borescope. The TESLONG NTS 500 comes with a large 5-inch LCD display and a slim 5.5mm dual-lens camera that captures crisp 1080p images and videos. Its IP67 waterproof probe is designed for inspecting engines, pipes, HVAC systems, and other hard-to-reach areas. The included 32GB memory card lets you save photos and videos instantly for later review. Multiple LED brightness levels, durable construction, and user-friendly controls make this borescope a dependable tool for professionals and serious DIY users alike. Number 3. ZYPUSON 4.3-inch IPS Endoscope. The ZYPUSON digital endoscope features a bright 4.3-inch IPS display that delivers sharp 1080p live viewing with accurate colors. Its waterproof inspection camera is equipped with adjustable LED lights for clear visibility inside dark pipes, walls, and mechanical equipment. The flexible cable allows smooth navigation through narrow spaces, making inspections easier and more efficient. Lightweight and easy to operate, this borescope is ideal for plumbing, automotive maintenance, electrical repairs, and general household inspection tasks. Number 2. ENWOR 7-inch IPS Endoscope Camera. The ENWOR Endoscope stands out with its large 7-inch IPS display, delivering an excellent viewing experience during inspections. It records full HD 1080p video and is available with single, dual, or triple lens options for greater inspection flexibility. Autofocus technology keeps images sharp, while the IP67 waterproof camera and adjustable LED lighting perform well in dark and wet environments. Perfect for vehicle diagnostics, plumbing, industrial maintenance, and home repairs, it combines professional features with easy operation. Number 1. NewLanding Articulating Digital Borescope. The NewLanding Digital Borescope earns the top spot with its advanced 180-degree two-way articulating camera that easily navigates around corners and complex spaces. Its 2-megapixel sensor records crisp 1080p images and videos, while both Wi-Fi and USB connectivity offer convenient use with smartphones and computers. Designed for automotive, industrial, and precision inspections, the waterproof camera delivers reliable performance in challenging environments. If you want maximum flexibility, image quality, and professional-level inspection capability, this is the best choice. A quality digital borescope makes inspections faster, safer, and far more accurate. These 5 models deliver excellent image quality, durable waterproof designs, and practical features for automotive, plumbing, industrial, and home use. Which one is your favorite? Comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.